Now, one of the keys to making Basecamp effective is the method in which you are able to have discussion with the other team members. And there are several ways to do that. We have already talked about the fact that you can start a formal discussion about a particular topic. But one of the other ways that you can start a discussion can be based on the to-do list. So, for example, if we create this to-do list and we need to have some discussion about this particular item, if we click inside of here, what you'll notice is that we can discuss this to-do list. Now, when we create these messages, we can decide that the individuals that are involved will get the message by email, or we can decide that we'll leave it to them to see the message when they log in. And that's going to be a case-by-case choice. And this time we're going to make the choice that this individual is going to get the message. So we're going to click Add this comment. Now, when you choose for the other participants to get email, they'll see the topic, they'll see what you wrote for discussion, and then they'll have a clickable link back to that discussion inside of Basecamp on their side. That individual can then write in their comments. And so you'll notice now that there is a discussion just regarding this to-do list. We can actually do the same thing for an individual item in a to-do list. So, for example, we can click inside of this item and we can write in comments to have discussion about. Now again, this comment is in contrast to the comments that were made on the to-do list in general. This is specific to an item in that to-do list. We can also have discussion about individual files. So if we click on a file and then we click discuss this file, we can then write in our comments. And what you'll notice is that because this document was uploaded with a particular to-do item, then the discussion item goes with that to-do item. We can also have discussion for text documents. If we click on the document, you'll notice that if we scroll down to the bottom, we can discuss this document. We can decide whether or not we want the comment to go to someone, or we can choose to add the comment. Now, what you'll notice also is that even though these were not posted as formal discussions, they fall into the discussion area of our board. And since we are in the administrator board, we want to notice the same thing. And you'll notice then that those discussions are in the discussion area. So to manage your project, anything that has a link or is clickable typically has a discussion associated with it, and you can write in your comments, and you can know that the other teammates will get it through their email when they see it. And one thing that you'll want to do is to encourage everyone that's on your team to make sure to read the email that comes from Basecamp. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.